So I've been on doing the wiring on the bike. Been wiring up the headlights and the tail light unit. I'll show you what I've been doing. So that's the tail light unit there. Got that wired in. It's got built-in indicators. Wired the front headlight in. Need to get some indicators for that yet. I'm going to have a look, see what's about. Made this bracket for the clocks, aluminium bracket there for the clocks, said I was going to make. So I've got that mounted on. Obviously I've wired these in. I've just got some wires left there for the indicators. So it's looking pretty good. I want a screen to go on here. And I was just having a look to see what I had laying about. And I found this old headlight unit. Which had this top piece of screen on it, so I've took that off. I was thinking if I could use that as a mould and make like a screen for it to go on there. Have it so it sits a bit lower, the light's cut out. So that's what I'm going to be doing on my next job. So I'm going to make this front headlight screen. I made a mould here. I've covered this with some decal fixing tape, a bit of masking tape on these bits where I've cut it. I've had to make a piece there to fill that gap in. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this here, and this, what comes off this will actually be the mould. And then when I get the mould, I'll make the actual piece I want, the fairing, the screen piece, from the mould that I get from this. So I've got some resin there, got some fiberglass. It's a bit thick to the fiberglass that I could be doing with really. So I'm probably going to cover this with some filler first, and then I'll go over it with the fiberglass after. So I've got that covered there with some filler. Next I'm going to mix up some resin and put some fiberglass on it. Got the mould dried in front of the diesel heater there. Don't know whether it's going to go off out here. It's quite cold, it should do. If not, then we may have to take it into the house. So that moulding's going off alright there. It's a good job really, because if I took it in the house, Julie will go ape shit with the smell. So I'll probably give it another couple of coats of fiberglass. I'll get tidied up in here, and then that'll do for today. So I'm going to go in the house, have a piece of Julie's flapjack and a cup of tea, and I'll come back next time with another video.